Huwag kasi sumaulo kami dito.
Dapat doon eh. Sana yan daw.
Yung double cycle. Double cycle. Okay. Double cycle. Continuous cycle.
Hindi mo sabihin.
Single cycle. Yung double cycle. Ipakita nyo kung para makita ko yung yung pneumatic. Oh, sige. Okay. Off. Off. Oh, ready na. Single cycle.
Yes, sir.
Gumana. Continue cycle. Yung green. Ayan. Ayos na.
Sige, ito lang picture dito. Tara, video na. Video. Hi guys! Say hi!
Single cycle. Yung hangin, pinatay nyo yung hangin. Ayan. Okay, continue cycle. Yung switch sa baba. Okay. Okay, off. Off. Okay. So, gumana na. Okay na. Okay, single cycle. Continuous cycle. Okay. Stop. Okay. Off niya na. Yung hangin, patayin niyo na yung hangin. Oh, yung single cycle. Pindot, push button, 1. Then continue cycle. Pindutin mo yung kulay green. Nakakuan, yan. Off. Off. Okay. So, okay na yan. So, patayin na. Patayin yung hangin. Yung hangin. Yung switch ng hangin. Service line. O yung switch. Breaker, off. Okay. Tanggalin niya yung mga wiring.
Ito sir,
Tanggalin niya yung mga wire dyan. Off.
lagyan namin ng
Single cycle. Okay. Pindot cycle 1. Ano na? Continue cycle. Naka-off yung on green. Ayan, stop green. Ayan, okay na, patayin na yung hangin. Lang ha. Okay, go. Single cycle. Single cycle sa taas, sa puti. Continuous cycle mo data. O, continuous. Stop. Orange. Okay, patayin na yung hangin. Single cycle. Single cycle. Continuous. Continuous cycle. Ayun. Off. Okay.
nice.